Welcome to Onecool.se tutorial. Shell Commands Overview. This tutorial will give a brief overview of some essential shell commands. The examples are performed on a Linux computer running Ubuntu 22.04. Note: in the shell manuals, machine, device, host and computer are used interchangeably. This tutorial uses only the word computer. Let's start. Who am I? Print the username for the current user. Groups. Print the group memberships for a user. Users. Print the users currently logged into the computer. History. Print the shell command history. Which. Print the full path to a command. Hostname. Print the given name of the computer. Uname. Short for Unix name. Print system information. Arch. Short for architecture. Print computer architecture. Date. Print or set the system date and time. We have reached the middle of the tutorial. It's time for a joke. What is the best way to learn about computers? Bit by bit. Ha ha. Let's continue. ls. Short for list. Print the content of a directory. Cat. Short for concatenate. Concatenate and print files. pwd. Short for print working directory. Print the full path of the current working directory. cd. Short for change directory. Change the current working directory. Touch. Create a file. If the file already exists, its access and modification time will be updated. mv, short for move. Move or rename files and directories. rm, short for remove. Remove files and directories. cp, short for copy. Copy files and directories. mkdir, short for make directory. Create a new directory. rmdir, short for remove directory. Remove a directory. The directory must be empty before removal. When you want to get more information about a command, for example to read more on anything you have learnt in this tutorial, use the man command. Man, short for manual. Print information about a command. We have reached the end. Please like and comment the video and subscribe to the channel.